Internet, I'm Scott, and this is a PLUGHITZ Live how-to. Today, we're going to address how to fix the problem with the Black Friday Monster IlluminEssence LED strips. It is unfortunately not an easy fix-it-in-the-box kind of a thing, but we have a solution. So if you've been following the journey, you know that on Black Friday, Walmart offered these little guys right here for $7. They were very popular and very defective. We suspect that there could be as many as 40 or 50,000 defective units out there. And we think we've identified which units are defective. We'll get to that in just a second. So we've been in contact with Monster. We've been in contact with the factory that produces them. The unit that we filmed the video with on Thanksgiving night is currently in China with the factory so they can try and figure out exactly what went wrong. But there is a solution because Walmart has received a new shipment that comes from a new batch, and that new batch seems to work. Whatever was wrong in the factory seems to have resolved itself. We'll show you in a second how to figure out which unit you have. But I am confident enough in the fact that the new units work that I'm going to open this one up right now. We're going to plug it in and see if it works. So we're going to open up the back here. We'll have all of the bits and pieces that we're used to finding. We have our LED strip, we have our remote control, we have our little mini instruction manual, and we have our control unit. Those are the pieces. Obviously, the first thing we have to do, other than get rid of that horrible plastic cover, is put batteries in, 2 AAAs, a flat side of the battery to the springs, as always with any product. And when we press a button, the little red light in the middle of the remote comes on. That's a good sign. The next thing we have to do is find the end of the LED strip. Here we go. Face the LEDs and the Monster logo on the controller in the same direction. And plug them in, like so. This is the same USB wall wart that we used on Thanksgiving for our video. And that's the behavior that we expect. Now, I also suspect, based on the other units that we have purchased from this new batch, that the remote will work out of box, which it does. We can turn it on and off and change colors. Now, we're going to do the dangerous thing. I'm going to unpair this remote and repair it, because the repairing is what did not work. And I'm going to do it the way the instructions suggest, not the way that some people think they have tricked their defective ones into working. I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to plug it in. Then I'm going to hold the speed down button. And it does not work, which is what we expected. We just unpaired the remote. Now we're going to repair it real quick. Same process. Again, waiting until we've plugged it in, which is the way the instructions say to do it. Hold the speed up button. There's our 3 blinks. And there's our control again. All right. So, here's what we know. We know that this is a different batch. And here's how you can tell. On the bottom of the box, right above the barcode, there's a little sticker. You probably can't see it in the video, but I'll put a photo of it up. The unit I'm holding in my hand is batch 1929A. The batch that we purchased on Thanksgiving is 1917A. Definitely a different batch. Of the whole kit, it's a whole new batch. And you can tell whether or not your controller is a new batch, because if you look on the little sticker here that sticks off of the controller, you will see on the side that doesn't have the ETL logo, you will see a batch number there. This one is 1906. The batch number for the one that we bought on Thanksgiving was 1905. I am now curious what batch number this one to my right is, because this one is from way before. It's 1808. So definitely a different batch by a whole year, because these came to us before CES 2019. So we've had them a year and a half. Anyway, so that's the trick. The trick is 1917A on the box and 1905 on the controller is your defective set. What you need to do is get a different one. And since Walmart has new batches, you should be able to get them. So if you have not installed your LED strips already, take the box to Walmart, swap it out for 1929A. And I would recommend popping that box open while you're in the store and make sure this is 1906. If you have already installed your LED strips and you cannot take them down, I have a solution for that as well. Luckily, I used to work in electronics retail. I have a solution for that. All you have to do is go to Walmart, buy a new one, 1929A, take it home, swap just this part out, put the bad one in the new box, take it back, get your money back. Done. Problem solved. You'll have a fully functional set because this was never the problem. The strip was never the problem. This little bit right here behind the Monster logo is where the problem existed. And there are new models, so definitely go get a new one, because I am not waiting for Monster or the factory to come up with a solution. It's too late. Christmas is in literally a matter of hours. Try to get this solved in time if you can. If you're coming to us after Christmas, hopefully the people who watched this before Christmas will not have completely depleted the resources in the stores. Although I will tell you, in the stores that I checked, because I've got about a dozen of these now, that I purchased from a variety of stores, they have lots. I think they might actually be prepared for this. So definitely go take care of it before it's too late. Go to Walmart, swap them out. Don't wait for Monster. Don't wait for anybody. It's not worth it. There is a solution. Take care of it. And with that, until next time, ciao, and have a good holiday.